All right, so here's the deal, guys. It's very annoying because the legs on my bed, they break all the time. And they come with a very cheap little brass input and they keep falling. So I said, you know what? I'm starting over. I'm gonna do it myself. I'm over it. So we're gonna cut a bunch of legs here and get this king size bed nice and sturdy. So here we go.
Goodness gracious, take it right back to the basics. If you want something that's classy, tell them all you gotta do is ask me. Yeah, places, feeling like 100 blue faces. Put a bow tie on the laces, now throw a good foot in it. Can I get a witness? Fresh like a new pair of linens. Bought a new crib with a tenant. Now they want a piece of the business. I'm sipping my tea with the lemon. Roll down the window, play this on repeat. Whipping your neck when we cruising the street. Like what you see, but it's hard to believe. I make it look easy. Yeah, hey. I make it look easy. Yeah, hey. I make it look easy. Yeah, hey. I make it look easy. I feel so good, you got to believe me. The way I move, I make it look easy. Extra, I'm the main attraction. You can spread and tell it to the masses. Decoded colors through the glasses. Lights, camera, action. Everybody checking for the fashion. Photo framing every day is magic. Rubber necking, flexing in the traffic. I had to make them look back. So animated. Throwing my cap, I graduated. Keep your drip, I'm saturated. But I'm still glad you made it. Ha. Roll down your window, play this on repeat. Whipping your neck when we cruising the street. Like what you see, but it's hard to believe. I make it look easy. Yeah. Hey. I make it look easy. Yeah. Hey. I make it look easy. Yeah. Hey. I make it look easy. I feel so good, you got to believe me. The way I move, I make it look easy. Yeah.
Well, there you go. Changed out the entire bed frame on the bottom as far as the legs go because it kept giving out on me. And all you probably military and OCD people are like, what the heck did you do to your bed? How'd you make it? I don't care, just wanted to get it done. Sheets are clean, everything's clean. So, ready to go. Final test. Just gotta lay down and see if it's gonna break or not. So here we go.
Hey, goodness gracious, take it right back to the basics. If you want something that